Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's another video, and this time I'm going to be doing some tutorials for YouTube because I realized I have been doing a lot of tutorials with Instagram, which is cool because that's my main focus, but I think I should do some tutorials with YouTube. So I'm going to put some template down below, which is like super simple, oh my god, I can't say words. Super simple, it could be adjusted. It's colors and like anything, like it's gonna be super simple, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make it fancy with this tutorial, so you can use this template to start with, like it will be your base. If you guys don't have Photoshop, this is not going to work with it. I'm gonna convert it to Photoshop format or try to make it like universal so everyone can use it, but it's going to be mostly Photoshop. So if you don't have it, please make sure to download the trial version so you can use it, or older version because it could be compatible with everything, but you need the Photoshop for this one. So other than that, let's just get started. Okay guys, so first thing you're gonna do is open Photoshop, and after that you just press File, Open Recent, or just open, for me you just do thumbnail PSD, which is in the file that I'm just gonna attach in the video. So first thing you're gonna do is open File, and you will see two things. One is the image. This is just a random image, as if like mine, so I'm gonna play around with this. Another one is the text, which is this one. This is totally customizable, so I'm gonna get to this part. So first thing first is gonna work with the image. You can have any image you want, essentially, just totally up to you. I personally chose this image because it's like red, and like I'm wearing red in the video, but I'm going to use this picture because I honestly didn't like the way it looked from the thumbnail. So I'm just going to use this one. This is already edited, so it's pretty much to go, but you can do something else if your photo is not that good, so it can add just some touch, which I attached it in the file. It's called Actions. So you go to Window, Actions, and there's gonna be you have to, because I already loaded, you have to do Load Actions, and from there you have to just choose the one that you downloaded, and it will show up like this. So we're gonna just press this and press that. So now it applied all the changes. You can see it's a little too vibrant, so we're gonna go here, make it a little less, like 30, 40 is perfect. Okay. And this also made the image a little brighter and vibrant, and also sharpened as well, because that's just very important. So another thing we're going to come back to is the text, which is this one. As you can see, it's blocked, so there's the top and there's the bottom. So we're going to work around with this. So what we're going to do is first we're going to go to the top, and there's this thumbnail text, which you can edit yourself, like with anything. You can see here. As you can see, you can totally edit and do whatever you want. Best part is all of them have like squares behind it, like rectangles, which my style. You can totally change the color when you go to color overlay, which is already in a template, so just open it and go around with it, and you can totally see how it looks like. Like I personally kind of like this one. It's like kind of too much actually. Maybe I should go back to the original one. Yeah, maybe this one, but just go back to the, yeah, this one's kind of cool. So that's the same thing applies to every other one. You can change it to do that. So that's the top, and there's the bottom, and best part is like because they're grouped, you can move them around, so you don't, without having to do anything. This one too, very easy to move it around. So I just grouped them like custom and thumbnail because I thought it makes more sense just to put them as top, and you can just play around with that one. Again, just you can do anything honestly, and this one as well. Same thing with this one. If you don't like it, you can just turn it off. One thing is just like if you want to play around with the image, there are so many other options you can do, but I think the Actions one I can remember. See this one, it just makes adjustments, and last one, it also sharpens the image to make it look high res. So yeah, play around with it and see how it is. So I hope you guys like this video and like find this tutorial helpful. If you do, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time, because next time is going to be vlog, and I hope you guys like it.